So guys, this is our new earphones. Now I'm gonna remove it. Wow, they've given a very much pretty cardboard box. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, it feels very premium in hand. Now let's see what's inside. Let me cut it out. This experience is very nice, guys. Now I'm gonna cut it. Now guys, let's remove the plastic covering that they have given for its protection purpose. Whoa, very nice. Okay, so it's time to uncover what's inside. Yes, it's very nice, guys. Whoa, what they have given. See, guys, let's have a look. How perfectly they have packed everything, just like a jewelry. Now guys, let's check the box which has the OnePlus Type-C Bullets. Whoa, what a covering, guys. It's very much nice. Now let's take the main thing out, guys. Whoa, amazing. It's very nice. So guys, the quality of jack is brilliant. Now let's check out the buds. Whoa, what a quality, guys. They're made of metal and the divers are so powerful. And it also has a play pause button and volume controller and also a microphone. So these were the OnePlus Type-C.